Hi guys, here we've got a Toyota Prado. It's a 105 series, 2014 model. This is the 3-litre diesel engine. Now I'm just going to take you guys through how to reset the fuel warning light. If you turn the ignition on, you'll see the fuel light over on the right here that remains on. Now if you're having this issue, it's generally caused by some algae or water build-up in the fuel filter. There's a sensor on top of the fuel filter which causes this light to become illuminated on the dash. So I'll just turn the ignition off. I'll show you how to reset it. Here we've got the fuel filter, and right on top here is the sensor. You'll need to disconnect this sensor, and then you want to turn the ignition on. Leave the ignition on for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then plug this plug back in, and that will cause the light to go out. And then from there, just cycle the ignition back on and off again, and you'll find the light's been reset. So I've just turned the ignition back off again after plugging in the sensor. Now if you flick the ignition back on, you can see the warning lights cycle back off now. So that's all been reset. There you have it. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.